powerful display of operational readiness. The Indian Air Force carried out a off and landing drills with Rafale and Jaguar flight jets on Uttar Pradesh's Ganga Expressway. This strategic exercise marks a major step in using expressways as emergency airstrips, boosting India's defense preparedness. The jets conducted both day and night maneuvers, demonstrating IAF's ability to respond swiftly in high-stakes scenarios. The operation highlights India's growing focus on integrating infrastructure with national security. My colleague from Times Network, Pradeep Datta, has filed this ground report from Ganga Express. Let's go across and take a listen.
Right now you can see it's M17V5 multi-role helicopter that can be used for humanitarian mission, either to evacuate any kind of emergency or to provide any kind of medical help. And you can see right now helicopter, and you can see some of the Air Force personnel. They are just slithering down the rope. That means they are trying to show that in case of medical emergency, how these helicopters are very useful. That means there is a medical emergency, or it can be used to para-drop the special operation group, or you can drop para-commanders also. So here right now you can see those air warriors, they are slithering down the rope and they are moving for a mission, whatever they had been asked to do. Either it can be medical emergency or either it can be para-commandos trying to take on terrorists. Though right now, here the Indian Air Force might is on display here in Shahjahanpur area. So echo of that can be heard right from Srinagar and abroad, and it's definitely going to send shivers down the spine of Pakistan, because a short while back we saw that how Rafale was hovering over Jalalabad sky, and while Rafale was moving and it was roaring over the skies, it was sending shivers down the spine of Pakistan, and Pakistan is trembling in its shoes. And it's also a very best example of military and civilian coordination, because if we talk about this express highway, this Ganga Expressway, this has got the 3.5 kilometer airstrip. This 3.5 kilometer airstrip can be used for emergency landing in case of any emergency, in case of any disaster management purpose, or in case of any like situation. This airstrip is of great importance. Let me again show you.